Here's the latest on xtalks.com. Seeking another alternative to animal protein that's portable and doesn't require any cooking? Well, look no further than US-grown roasted pistachios. Hello, I'm Sydney Perlmutter, food journalist and webinar moderator for xtalks.com, and welcome to this edition of Xtalks Vitals. Our featured webinar for this episode is The Next Generation of Plant Proteins, Pulled Oats Revolution. Click the link in the description below to register for this free webinar. Pistachios have recently been accepted as a complete protein for people over 5 years old. The popular green-colored snack will join quinoa, chickpeas, and soy as plant-based substitutes to animal protein. US-grown roasted pistachios have been determined to possess acceptable levels of all 9 amino acids that our body must obtain through food. The popular snack is also a great source of healthy fats, fiber, and antioxidants, among other nutrients. Increasing preference for healthy food is driving the growth of the North American pistachio market. The U.S. is the second largest exporter and producer of pistachios, with the Wonderful Company, Germac Pistachio Company, and Primex Farms as some of the most prevalent players in the global market. Since the majority of plant-based foods are incomplete proteins, meaning they're deficient in one or more essential amino acids, pistachios are proving to be another exception to the rule. Subscribe to the Xtalks YouTube channel by clicking the subscribe button below and visit xtalks.com for more information on this story and our featured food webinar for this episode, The Next Generation of Plant Proteins, Pulled Oats Revolution. Click the link in the description below to register for this free webinar.